What is going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie, and I'm in my garage over here trying to clean up some stuff. This is sort of my workbench behind me. If I'm in my garage, might as well film a video intro to this really cool makeup. That said, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded this sooner. It should have gone out a long time ago. I have a lot of videos that go out, but of course I had surgery. I don't know if you guys know it, but I had a couple of screws put in my neck where it's actually right here. They just pulled it open and put some screws in there to hold everything together. Partly because of a motorcycle accident that I had and college football. Playing college football really sucks and it really messes up my neck. But if you guys want to see an x-ray, check out this x-ray right here I took with my cell phone. This is pretty nice. You can see some screws in there somewhere in here. Cool. But surgery's over. I'm feeling good. I can move my neck around. But that said, this is going to be really fun makeup. This was Divine inspired makeup, a drag makeup, but with heavy prosthetics. We want to do something a little bit different, something cool. So we did this. It was Jacquelyn, Coon, and I sort of put this together and we made it happen. It was a lot of fun. And of course we used our model, Yvonne. He's great. So if you guys want to check out Yvonne, all his information will be below. Jacquelyn did all the beauty on it, which was stellar. She did a really cool job, and it was inspired by Divine. It's not exactly gonna be exactly the same. I think it's more fun and more outrageous, maybe, I don't know. But this is actually a two-part makeup because we did the Divine makeup. We did two different wigs and then sort of two different wardrobes with the Divine drag makeup. And then I was like, you know what? Let's clean off the beauty makeup while we have this big cowl that's super expensive. Let's put a face over the top of that and make it like a sort of a two makeup day. So we tried to clean off all the beauty makeup because the beauty makeup wouldn't allow the glue to stick. So we had to use alcohol to get as much as that beauty makeup off. And if you guys want to see what that looked like, this is what it looked like. It was crazy. So we got them all cleaned up, and then we put a sort of a warthog, pig, ogre, orc face on top of it. So this was a dramatic change. So Divine in this hand and then the warthog in this hand, and it was all in one day. So there's gonna be two videos, Divine in one video, the warthog in another video. And I don't think I want to stop talking because I've been talking too long. So enjoy this video. All the information will be below what we used and everything like that. And I'm back. I'm going to try to do more of these videos and share, comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Bye.